Some breaking news coming in now from the Home Ministry. Government has decided to rename Port Blair as Sri Vijayapuram. Home Minister Amit Shah has made this announcement about the decision, stating that inspired by the resolve of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to rid the country of all symbols of slavery, today the Home Ministry has decided to rename Port Blair as Sri Vijayapuram. He added that the name Sri Vijayapuram reflects our struggle for freedom and the struggle of Andaman and Nicobar in it. He said this island has a unique place in our country's independence and history. So, big decision announced there by the Home Ministry. Port Blair has been renamed. This is, of course, a big decision that has been taken by the Union Home Ministry. Amit Shah saying that this was important as the government has decided to rename Port Blair Sri Vijayapuram, as they are wanting to rid the country of any signs of slavery and of course, the time when we were governed by British and Western forces. Pia Man is joining us for more on this story. Pia, give us more details about this Home Ministry decision.
Indeed, Uday, as you put it, the centre has renamed Port Blair, that is the capital city of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, to Sri Vijayapuram, to free the nation from colonial imprints. Port Blair is, of course, the entry point for the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It is the largest city. It was named, in fact, after Captain Archibald Blair, who was a British colonial navy official of the East India Company. The Home Minister has, of course, announced this decision via post on social media. He had stated that the earlier name signifies India's colonial legacy, but now Sri Vijayapuram will symbolize the victory achieved in our freedom struggle and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands' unique role in the same. They've, of course, had an unparalleled place in our freedom struggle and history. We all know of the Cellular Jail over there, where Veer Savarkar was held as well. The island territory had once served as a naval base of the Chola Empire and is today poised to be a critical base for our strategic and development aspirations. Of course, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands is located in a very, very strategic position.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.